Hello and welcome to TJC Physics. This is part 3 of my series on mechanical waves, and in this video we are introducing the concept of wave amplitude. So on the screen I'm showing you a wave moving through a string of beads. I'm going to slow it down a bit so you can see it a little better. Now notice that while the wave itself is moving to the right, that the individual beads on the string, look at the green ones to help you visualize it, they are only oscillating up and down. This is an example of a transverse wave. Now, the amplitude of a mechanical wave is a measure of the maximum distance the wave is displacing the medium from its equilibrium or resting position. To put that into this example, notice that here the string's resting or equilibrium position is shown by the dotted line. Now, the individual beads on the string, notice they only go to the same maximum distance above the dotted line, we call that the peak, or below it, we call that the trough. The distance when you measure it from the dotted line to the peak, or from the dotted line to the trough, is called the amplitude of the wave. So let's measure it for this example. I'm going to bring in a ruler here, and you can see that when I place it, I'm measuring from the dotted line to the peak, and I sort of read off a distance of about 0.75 or 0.8 centimeters there. And to double check it, if I look down at the bottom left of the screen where you can actually set the parameters of the wave, notice it gives an actual value for the amplitude of 0.75 centimeters. So my measurement was pretty close. So this means that the amplitude is the height of the wave that will displace the medium from its relaxed position. Also, for waves in general, the amplitude is not always a distance. For instance, electromagnetic waves, the amplitude is usually measured in units of the electric field, or the magnetic field. Sound wave amplitudes usually can be reported in units of pressure, although that is related to distance. It really depends on the type of wave. All right, so now we've reached the end of the video. In the next video, we are going to look at the quantities of wave frequency and wave period. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and have a great day.